Hello Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your September the 1st to September the 3rd reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo naman po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So Cancer, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So parang Cancer, medyo napupush na yung sarili natin na umamin kaya ako, magsalita na kaya ako, sabihin ko yung aking nararamdaman, no? Either ito ay pag-amin ng pagmamahal, pag-amin ng frustrations, no? There's something in here that probably your emotion is parang ikaw mismo, you're suppressing it yourself. Chances are, meron din naman tao na siguro, nandun na. Pwedeng ikaw yung binabasahan ko, pwede po yung tao, no? Yung person ninyo. What I am reading here is the dynamic, so you can switch the energies. But chances are, this is more of romantic emotion. Probably merong, let's say yung person nagkakagusto kay Cancer, no? Parang hindi niya na mapigilan. So kung anong pwersa na parang kailangan ko magsalita, kailangan ko sabihin, kailangan kong aminin. Almost as if na parang merong yung time pressure, no? Parang may sense of urgency. Ayan. I think na meron ditong plans of umamin sana, pero laging nauudlot, no? Gustong-gusto ng umamin, pero parang laging nauudlot. Hindi niya masyadong, kunyari pasalita na, or kunyari nagte-text na, sabay buburahin, no? Kompleto na eh. Meron lang talagang either takot, no, in the past. Ayan, with the Star and the Devil card. Well, I can see a bit of an obsession in here, pero na to a point na kung napanood nyo yung You sa Netflix, no, hindi naman siya yung ganon na parang serial gano, no. Hindi naman. Ang nakikita ko dito, palagi na lang tinitignan itong inyong social media. Palagi na lang, kumbaga, inaabangan yung mga posts mo, no? Let me know kung lagi siya nakasilip. Kahit na sabihin natin nagre-react or hindi nagre-react, no? Basta present siya. Walang mintis. Ayan. Umulan, umaraw, bumagyo, no? Nandyan siya. Nakapost. Pero, wala pang sinasabi. Hindi pa umaamin. I think Cancer, medyo somehow meron na tayong gut feeling na ay totoo ito, no? Gusto kong maniwala. Gusto kong sabihin na meron na siyang, or gusto kong sabihin sa sarili ko, you're not the one who's approaching the person. Ay, may gusto ka sa akin, no? Siyempre, medyo finesse naman itong si Cancer. Well, hindi din. Kasi may mga Cancer na direkta din magsalita, no? Pero, it all started with the assumptions. Is that assumption? Or I think that's too obvious. Ang kulang lang talaga dito is pag sinabi niya sa'yo, alam ko naman, no? Kitang-kita naman. Sabi nga ni Miss Annabelle Raman. Ayan, kitang-kita naman. The Ten of Pentacles, the Phoenix. I think urong-sulong, no? Itong pag-amin. Parang pasulpot-sulpot siya, parang kabuti. No? Minsan nandiyan, minsan hindi. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, the more na nagiging ganito yung situation, the more na parang mas lalong nag-iinit, 'no, itong kanyang pagnanasa, ayan, may pagnanasa, 'no? Paulit-ulit, I think that there's also some part here na in denial at first. So, baka hindi naman totoo 'tong nararamdaman ko, then aalis. Pero hindi, eh, babalik 'no, kailangan ko talagang gawin. So, with the Six of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune, so I think that you had a separation with this person, no? Um, let's say if the separation here is physical or energetic or a combination of both, so I'm seeing na lilitaw 'to uli. Na parang palitaw 'no, magpapakita siya uli kasi nandito yung nostalgia, nandito yung part na sana pala ginawa ko, sana pala umamin ako, sana pala, um, na-express ko yung aking nararamdaman para hindi ako nandito sa taing-tae 'no, na makita ka muli, marinig yung boses mo, or kahit matanaw ka lang sa malayo 'no. Um Merong for a few numbers of you, there's probably nag-start na, whether it is totoong relasyon or situationship 'no, nag-start na 'to. Kumbaga continuation. So, the Two of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups, 'yan. So, babagal-bagal 'no, itong person natin. Ang dami niyang iniisip, siguro, I don't know, baka overthinker itong person na ito. Kaya medyo laban o bawi 'no, ang kanyang drama sa buhay. Pero nandito naman yung kasi hindi hindi rin niya alam kung ako yung tao, hindi ko alam kung paano ko rin i-e-express ano, with the World card. Pero this person is here to stay with the Ace of Swords. I think that this time kung sino man itong torpe na ito, I believe na ipu-push niya na 'no, itong kanyang nararamdaman. Well, at last 'no, mag-aano na siya, um, nakita niya na yung kanyang bayag, ayan. So, let's check here the emotion. This could be your person's emotion or this could be your emotion or observation. I want to fall asleep next to you, probably again for those who are in a relationship, and I'm yours forever and ever. So I think that there's also a higher chance na, either kumabilang bakod, sabihin nating nag-try ng ibang putahe, ayan, 'di ba? Pero na-realize din na I need to go back 'no, kasi nandun talaga yung puso ko. Ayan, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I am seeing Pisces, Taurus, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn. Ayan. So this is your reading, Cancer. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pero kung hindi niyo po naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa video na ito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, Cancer, kilalang-kilala niyo yung sarili ninyo, no? Kung alam niyo na hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo sa description box. Nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Una pong bubungad sa inyo yung question form. Hindi po siya kasya sa screen, ibaba nyo lang, nandun po yung mga QR codes, no? The QR codes, labeled naman po siya, so makikita nyo how much per question, no? Nandun po yung name and number for your reference, ayan. So, Cancer, um, I also created a promotion of 4 questions plus one. So take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating question form. Ayan. Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, gusto niyo ng free personal reading, paki-report naman po, no, itong mga fake accounts na nandiyan po sa description box. Screenshot niyo yung report ninyo, send it to the designated email. Ayan. Tapos bubunot po tayo doon kasi raffle po siya, no, ng winner. Ayan. So, Cancer, kung hinahanap niyo po yung ibang videos, no, especially lalo na dun kapag ang topic natin is mga ex na, nandun po siya sa Facebook natin. Dun ko po pinopost, no. Kung hindi niyo mahanap itong Facebook account, dun po sa question form, dun sa website, may mga icons naman po yun ng mga social medias na ginagamit natin, no? So, all you need to do is to click that and you're gonna be routed to Facebook kung Facebook, no? TikTok, ayan. So, this is your reading, Cancer. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.